Here I am in the city of Geneva. You can see the United Nations Human Rights Commission building right here, UNHCR, and here is the ITU. This is WIPO, and here is the United Nations right in front of me with the iconic broken chair. And then let's look at this. This is something I really hate. I look at this every time when I go to my institute, and I know that this is wrong at multiple levels. Indian Christians are not facing state-sponsored terrorism, and then about lynching Indian minorities and India no to terror attacks on minorities. I really don't know where this comes from, but this is repeatedly what is portrayed here. Stop burning Indian Christians, stop burning churches. All this is right in front of the United Nations chair. I always feel as if I should go and ask people who are putting up this kind of posters, but then I once again think of the philosophy that you must make your actions better. Don't focus on the negativity, focus only on your positive work. And on that note, I end this video.